Along a New Mexico highway, unbelievable destruction, showing a median covered with wreckage, the unmistakable shape of a Greyhound passenger bus and a semi-truck. New Mexico police calling this a mass casualty event with multiple fatalities, but unclear how many. Crash happening late this afternoon on I-40 near the small town of Thoreau, roughly 100 miles west of Albuquerque. Officials say the Greyhound bus was carrying 47 passengers from Albuquerque to Phoenix when it collided with a big rig. The impact so powerful, it sent parts of the vehicles flying hundreds of feet. The crash shutting down traffic on the highway as police investigate. Local hospitals preparing for dozens of patients, but at this point, authorities still unclear how many passengers survived. Gotti Schwartz, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.